In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Event Viewer in Windows 11 to check event logs. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply curious about your system's activity, the Event Viewer is an invaluable tool for accessing detailed logs of various events on your computer. Let's dive in and learn how to navigate this feature seamlessly. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Start menu. Now, if you're on a Windows 11 machine, you'll notice that the Start menu has been revamped to sit right at the center of your taskbar. Simply click on the Start icon, which looks like a small Windows logo. Once you've opened the Start menu, you should see a search bar. This is your gateway to quickly finding almost anything on your system. In this bar, go ahead and type Event Viewer. You'll likely see a list of search results starting to populate as you type. Keep typing until you see Event Viewer appear prominently in the search results. Click on it to open. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the Event Viewer? Essentially, it's a built-in Windows utility that lets you view detailed logs of your system's activities. These can range from system errors and warnings to application logs and information events. It's especially useful for diagnosing software, system errors, or checking for potential security issues. Once you've opened Event Viewer, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. These categories are organized into different log types such as application, security, setup, system, and forwarded events. Each one stores specific kinds of logs. For example, the system logs are where you'll find logs related to Windows system components, while application logs often contain events recorded by programs. As you click through these categories, take note of the middle pane, which will display a list of recent logs for the selected category. Here you can see a snapshot of each log, including details like the date and time an event occurred, the type of the event, and its source. Clicking on a specific log entry will show more detailed information in the bottom pane. This can help you identify any errors or unusual activity, giving you a clearer picture of what's happening behind the scenes on your system. That's pretty much it for today's guide. By now, you should feel more comfortable accessing and navigating the Event Viewer in Windows 11 to check your event logs. Whether you're a power user or a casual user, having this skill at your fingertips can be a lifesaver in keeping your system running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and happy computing!